Everyone may think this is very simple. What is new in this? But everyone should think that everyone should get benefited by everything. Through this project, even a child can know the equivalent cost of the units consumed in their homes itself. We can reduce the manual work of the EB men and we can reduce the calculation process in the TNEB app. So it takes lesser time and its outcomes is very much. The main objective of this project is to educate the people with the knowledge of electric bill generation. Generally, in our home, we have the main board in which an energy meter is placed. A single phase energy meter is used to measure the total amount of units consumed by the electrical appliances in our home. Why single phase energy meter? Because single phase energy meter is used for domestic purpose and three-phase energy meter is used for commercial purpose. So, we use single-phase energy meter. In the single-phase energy meter, we will calculate the total amount of units, that is, power consumption in our home. By inducing them to save energy by viewing the increase of a bill amount in the display board. Therefore, on the other hand, we can save energy by saving their money. That's the uniqueness of this project. The main objective and goal of this project is that each and every people in the nation must be benefited through this project. Both the government and people would be happy with this. Today, mostly we use digital energy meters for the calculation of total amount of units consumed in our home. In that, a small button will be there. That button is used to display the total amount of units in the energy meter. While pressing the button, first it displays the time. Next, it displays the date and year. And at last, it displays the total amount of units consumed by the electric appliances in our home. We are going to take that units as input to our project. That when the main board is switched on, the electric energy is supplied to the load, where here load is known as lamp. It experiences some amount of energy. Those energies are given to the electric energy meter in terms of pulses. 1 unit is equal to 3200 pulses. When the energy meter experiences 3200 pulses, it shows 1 unit. This unit is the input to my Arduino board. Here, the Arduino board has programming code in which the unit is sent as input to this code. There, it performs some calculations. Those calculations are taken with reference to the TNEB tariff calculation. When the calculation is processed out, it displays the output, that is, equivalent cost of the energy consumed. That cost is displayed in the LCD board. User can easily calculate the amount of energy consumed in terms of bill amount by viewing the LCD board. This is what our project is, and we have a future plan to set a GSM modem for the benefit of user. If user is at home, they can easily calculate the amount of energy consumed by viewing the LCD board. If the user is out of station, we have planned to send the message daily at a particular time to the user. So we have inserted a SIM to this GSM modem. It has a common reference ID that the user registered mobile number ID is equivalent to the GSM modem ID. We are not yet completed this one. We are plan to do this. So we need time to implement this. This is what our project is. This is a simple project and it's a unique project. By this project, each and every individual can be benefited. The why I said this project is unique. We can display the equivalent amount of energy consumed in the energy meter itself by making simple changes. And we have coded this in a simple manner with the help of TNEB tariff calculation. This is our working model of our project. Thank you. I have already mentioned that we have not yet completed our project fully. We need some time to implement the GSM modem process. So, the main objective of this project is achieved. Even a rural people can have the knowledge of electric bill generation by this project, and we can definitely save energy by creating a practical awareness among the people in their day-to-day life by displaying the equivalent amount of the electric bill generation in their homes and inducing themselves to save energy by increasing the cost of energy consumed. And I really thank IBM for giving such a wonderful opportunity to the future citizens of India, the emerging young talents. Thank you a lot.